actually, we had a thunderstorm. So let's get started. Don't forget to smash the like button and the subscribe button. And yeah. Okay, it's starting to pour outside. I better go get Matilda. I'm just put it right there to the alarm system. Okay, now I got Matilda. So now we're going inside. She's really sad because she got soaking wet. Oh my gosh, I saw thunderstorm. Are you guys okay? Yeah, we are. Okay, so I think we're just gonna get Matilda back. Oh my gosh, the lights are turned off. What? Okay. Now I can't see. I can't even watch Coca Melon. Oh, what are we gonna do? Wait, at least we have candles. We can actually light them up. Thank God we still have candles. Yeah. What do we do now? Mommy, let's go to your room. Okay, come on, let's go. The elevator will not work because the power is out, so the elevator will not work. Mommy, the lights are freaking flickering. The lights are flickering? What? Okay, I closed it. What are we gonna do? Okay. Do you guys want to play hide and seek? Mommy, there's a thunderstorm. I know. Okay, do you guys want to play hide and seek? Is this weather? Oh my gosh, Bonnie, what is wrong with you? Sorry. Okay. Mommy, you count, and me and Daddy will hide. Okay, I'm gonna go. Let's just pretend there's no thunderstorm. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna be counting. I'm going to be counting to 30. Okay. I'm going to get out of here. Ready now? Here I come. When I did hear Gabriel go here, so I'm going to see. Hiding spot, or are you planning to hide? What? How did you see me? I was covered by all the blankets and the pillows. Well, I guess you're too big for it. Yes. Matilda went that way. I don't know where she went. Okay, we'll go find her. Matilda, where are you? I'm going to check here. Let's both check. Could she be in the drawer? Behind this plant? No. She could not be outside, can't she? She's not outside. Maybe she's in the elevator. Matilda, I feel there. Stop playing hide and seek. Where are you? Oh, this actually was Matilda. The elevator door will not open. What do you mean it won't open? So, like, how did you even get in there? It was open when I saw it. I closed it. Let me try pulling it. Pull it. 3, 2, 1. Wait, maybe I got these keys. We can. Mommy. Mommy. It's okay. Let's just pretend that didn't happen. Yeah, nothing happens. Yeah. Just put the keys back. Okay. What else do we do? You want to play slime? Sure, I guess. I know that she's doing a hot chair, but whatever. Let's turn it back on. Oh, thank God. Now I can watch Coca Melon. No Coca Melon. We're gonna watch the TV. Today will be a thunderstorm. It will be causing at 5 days. 5 days? 5 days? Shh. And yeah, so if you don't even go outside, even if there's school, don't go outside. That is for the day. And it'll be covered for 5 days. And if you don't have a place, we have so much places in New York City. I mean America. We have these hotels, so please kindly go there. We're signing off right now. What? Okay, so there will be a thunderstorm for 5 days, and I think we can handle that, right, guys? Yeah. Okay, so that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Bye.